In this video, we'll demonstrate how to access and manage your organization's appointed transfer approvers within the MLADU Concierge Portal. Please note that only workflow admins and portal admins have the ability to access and modify their organization's workflow settings. Technical admins and data owners may view these settings but do not have editing permissions. Before we begin, let's briefly take a look at what a transfer approver is and how it relates to your MLADU data transfer request. A transfer approver is a user that is authorized to approve or decline your organization's data transfer requests. Transfer approvers are an optional feature that can be enabled or disabled based on your organization's data management policy. If approvers are part of your organization's workflow, a transfer approver must first approve the data transfer request before the MLADU Concierge team may proceed with the transfer. Now that we have a basic understanding of what a transfer approver does and why they are important, let's get started with the walkthrough. To begin, navigate to the MLADU login page and enter your authorized user credentials to access your MLADU portal. Once logged in, open the menu in the upper right corner of your screen and select Settings. Then select Workflow. And finally, click on Settings. Your organization's configurable workflow settings will appear on the following page. If you are a workflow admin or portal admin, you will be able to directly make updates to the settings displayed. On the Workflow Settings page, you can adjust several configurations, including the list of appointed transfer approvers. In the case that the appointed transfer approver is unavailable to approve a data transfer request, you may want to add an additional transfer approver or approvers to prevent disruptions to your organization's workflow. To add a transfer approver, enter the email of the user that you would like to make an approver on a new line. And to remove a transfer approver, simply remove the line containing the email address of the user you would like to remove. After confirming the updated list of appointed transfer approvers, be sure to select the green Save button at the bottom of the screen to apply and retain your changes before exiting the page. To learn more about MLADU and its capabilities, be sure to check out our channel for more videos or visit our site at MLADU.com for more information. For any questions or assistance, feel free to reach out to us at contactus@mladu.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.